What's up, Patriots? American Joe here. How y'all doing out there? How you holding up? Hope you're doing good. I just want to make you aware of Friday's show. Drop it like if Scott has hit 2,000 subscribers.
And I'm going to give some stuff away with American Joe and Jim Knight from Knight's Armory.
This guy.
So he's going to be giving away lots of cool stuff. I'll let him tell you all about that.
You ready for this? We have some Amend 2 magazines, a custom holster from Red X Gear, a universal holster from Relentless Tactical, a cleaning mat from Relentless Tactical, and some Safariland hearing protection.
And of course, my brother and business partner Jim from Knight's Armory is going to be giving away something really cool as well. I'll be giving away a really cool Army book, historical Army book that's beautiful. I'll be giving away a brand new ESV Bible and maybe a couple of other prizes that are going to be pretty awesome. We're trying to spread some cheer and joy in this time of obsession with depressing news headlines. I hope you spend some time with us on Friday night. It's going to be a fun show, lots of giving away prizes. I hope you invite some folks to come out and hang out with us. Everybody should be home anyway, so come on over to the American Joe Show, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. And if you're going to enter to win these prizes, you're going to have to get on my email alert list. You're going to have to subscribe to Scott and Jim's channels. If I assume you're already watching this video on my channel, you already subscribed on the American Joe. Get on my email alert list. You just go to joesemailalerts.com. joesemailalerts.com. And by the way, not sure if you know this either, but I have a chat room called Joe's Discord chat. It's a Discord chat server. And if you go to joesdiscord.com, you can join about 500 Patriots and growing. It's growing fast. So come on over, hang out with us. We're going to be in there all the time, especially during this whole self-quarantine business. There's lots of Patriots always hanging out, chatting it up. It's a good time. So joesemailalerts.com for the email sign up, and Joe's Discord to join us in the chat room. We'll see you guys there, and then we'll see you Friday for the big giveaway.
See you Friday.
Let the games begin. I was born for this. Sunday one.